What is going on, guys? Mimic Trades here, back with another episode of Inside the Mind of a Successful Trader. This is episode 2, and in this episode we're going to be talking about the Relative Strength Index and specifically some RSI divergences. So an RSI divergence, if you guys don't know, is when you're using the Relative Strength Index, it's where a stock comes down, makes a low, and it makes a low of this strength index, right? And then it continues to make lower lows in the stock's price, but at the same time it is making higher lows in the relative strength index. So this is a very good sign of a reversal. I use this type of trade a lot to make some easy quick gains. So I was doing a swing trade here, and when I saw this third new low in the new high in the RSI strength index here, I went and I looked at the longer term, because this is very important with RSI divergences. If I had gotten in, let's say here, when I saw this first divergence and I wasn't looking for a longer term reversal, then basically I would have lost money because of this drop here, or I would have been down a lot, at least there. But so basically I was looking at the 2-hour chart. I was looking at the 2-hour chart here, and this is everything that I saw when I was buying. And not only was I seeing the RSI divergence on the 15-minute, but on the 2-hour chart, the MACD was just revving up, ready to explode upwards, and it showed very good signs of a reversal. So I bought some $12 calls for 52 cents and 46 cents, or 43 cents. My average was a cost of 46 cents. And then I also bought some $11 calls for $1.37. And then this did end up reversing. As you can see here, the next morning it immediately came up, and at this point the RSI index was pretty high, and so I did decide to sell. I like to sell when after seeing an RSI divergence, if the RSI indicator goes above the purple line, or the purple area here, then I do like to sell, get out of that trade. And so I did sell here, and I made 85% profit on the $12 calls, and I made 29.9% on the $11 calls. And so this was just a very easy swing trade, very free money. If you guys do want to see more videos like this, please like and subscribe. I do have a lot more videos that show you guys how to make these insane amount of gains in a very short frame of time. And so right now my account is up 637.7% this year, and I actually started this new account on July 20th, so I'll be releasing this video on the 18th. And so basically it's been about a full year, 2 days less than a full year, and my account, my day trading account, is up 637.7%. So if you guys want to know how to, make some insane gains like this and make consistent trades, please do drop a like and please subscribe. And thank you guys so much for watching this video. I know it's kind of short, but I've been on a plane for the past 8 hours, but I thought I would come home and, just make this video, because I was out in Austin for the past couple weeks, didn't have the ability to make videos. And I thought it was important for you guys to get this knowledge, So thank you for watching, and I'll see you guys next time.